Hello, wonderful Highland students. This is Mr. Rogers coming to you to give you a brief overview on how to use a brochure template to create a brochure of your own, as well as you will get a tutorial on how to duplex print, meaning print on both front and back on the same document. So let's start first. You will be able to open up, everyone should have a document on their desktop labeled brochure template. You'll open that up, and the first thing that you will do is go up to the Microsoft button. That's the button on the top left hand corner. Click on Save As, and you need to first save immediately. The first thing you need to do, make sure it's in your documents, and you can rename it whatever the title is, and I'm just going to name it Science Project, and then click Save. And then you can tell up here, it's there's my file name right there, Science Project. So, as you can tell, the template is already there with some ready-made text. But what you can do is just automatically, you give your title, you give your information right there, and you can just highlight in and replace the text that's already there with information that you have researched. There's a location for your team name. If you're doing an individual project, you'll just put your name as well as the class name and the date. And there are some pictures. If your teacher allows you, you can insert pictures if the project calls for it. And down here on the bottom right-hand side, there's a yellow box. That is the box to cite your sources. And you can do that with either bullet points, whatever's easier for you. And just for a reminder, that a reference is not Google. You actually have to put the website that you used to get your information, so you want to make sure you keep track of that. And a good thing to do is to copy and paste the website that you've used and just kind of keep a reference of the website you've gotten information from. So you'll just fill in your information in those text boxes that are already there. That should be pretty simple. You have your headings that you can use. You can remove them if you like, whatever you need. But now to print. So you can either stop the video now and let the kids work on their brochure. And then when you're ready to print, you can just pop back up to this video. But here is how to print duplex, meaning you'll be able to print on the front and back on the same sheet of paper. You will have to do it manually, and I will give you a demonstration on how to do that now. Step 1. What you'll do is you'll go up to the Microsoft button, and you will choose Print. And right here, you're going to choose Printer 117. Make sure that's highlighted and ready. Then you're going to click Properties. Next, you will click Finishing. And right here, there's an option, print on both sides manually, meaning that we're going to actually have to flip the papers ourselves. So check that. Do not worry about anything else. Just make sure that is checked. Then click OK. Click OK again. And the paper will start to print, and I'll show you how to manually feed the paper into the printer to print on the back side. And yeah. Alright, and now is going to demonstrate how to duplex print manually.
First, you need to open this little bottom drawer thing and pull out the thing.
That would be the drawer.
Yes, the drawer again. You are going to take this paper, make sure that the box is in the back, and flip it over and place it. Now you will press OK, and if that doesn't work, press the back button and let it work its magic. And then now you have to fold it. It's easier to use the little lines as reference points. Make a good crease. Fold it over again. And there you go. Your brochure is all done.
All right, Iz, thank you for the demonstration. Good luck to all the students on printing. And keep in mind, it's a good idea if you just have one student be in charge of printing duplex. That way you just have one person at the printer taking care of everything. So great job, Iz. Thank you for the demonstration. And great job on the creases, by the way, on the brochure. Great job.